in today's video, I'm gonna show you a drape or two different variations of the same drape that I turn to when I don't want to pleat the pallu or I simply don't have time to pleat the pallu. This drape works perfectly with saris like this one, super light and super easy to drape. And it just takes that one step out of your draping experience. Before we get started, I just want to talk about undergarments, especially when you're draping a sari like this one. That's lightweight, that's kind of transparent and will definitely show your underskirt or your Saree Silhouette. I'm wearing the Saree Silhouette from tiabhuva.com and it's super comfortable. It'll keep your drape intact. It has an elastic waist and a drawstring that will keep everything secure and you feeling secure, but also comfortable while wearing your sari. So you're gonna take the non-pallu end of the sari, in this case, it's either end, and start your drape like you would for the nibby drape. And once you get back to your belly button, you want to just tuck the sari in there and then bring the sari around. Once you bring the sari around, you want to gather the pallu end and kind of estimate on your body how long you want the frill to be. So I feel like this is a good length. And so what I'm gonna do is hold the sari right here, take the end closest to me or the edge of the sari closest to me while holding this right here and then tuck it in here. And the reason for this is because I wanna understand exactly how much of the sari I need to pleat for my front pleats. And so now I have that spot, I'm gonna start pleating. And so what you wanna do is bring the edge of the sari around you like this, put your hand to the left of your belly button and start pleating. This is so that the top pleat doesn't open up. Okay, once you get back to that tucked in spot, you want to just untuck it and then stagger your pleats before pinning them and tucking them into your Saree Silhouette. Once you've got your pleats how you like them, you just want to pin them all together and then tuck them into your Saree Silhouette. And then if you have any extra fabric here, you just want to untuck that, fold it forward and tuck it in. And then you want to take the rest of the pallu, bring it around and gather at the pallu, just like very roughly, gather from either end and then bring it in and then tuck it underneath your blouse and bring it over the top. Once you've got the pallu through the top of your blouse, you want to adjust around your waist to make sure you're covering up or showing as much or as little skin as you want, and then also fluffing out the end of the pallu. Okay, so if you have any extra fabric here like this, what you can do is just bring it around and underneath all of the pleats or the gathered fabric and just tuck it into the front. That way you've got that nice look here. And then you can spread this out and then you can leave this like this, or you can make it into a little scarf. I hope you enjoyed this drape. This is super easy to put together. It doesn't take a lot of planning. You can just drape it on the day of. If you try out this drape, I'd love to know what you think of it. Leave a comment in the comment box below. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and I will see you in a future video.